Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a vibrant and juicy topic that's sure to elevate your health game: the healing power of tomatoes. These bright red fruits, often mistaken for vegetables, are not just a staple in kitchens around the world. They are packed with an array of health benefits that can transform your well-being. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's explore why tomatoes deserve a prime spot on your plate. First, let's talk about the nutritional profile of tomatoes. They are low in calories, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain or lose weight. A medium-sized tomato contains just about 22 calories, yet it's brimming with vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. Just one medium tomato provides about 28% of your daily recommended intake of this essential vitamin. Vitamin C not only helps ward off colds, but also plays a vital role in skin health, promoting collagen production and giving you that youthful glow. But that's not all. Tomatoes are also rich in potassium, an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. A diet high in potassium can help counteract the effects of sodium, keeping your heart healthy and reducing the risk of stroke. In fact, a single medium tomato can provide around 292 milligrams of potassium, which is about 6% of the recommended daily intake. Incorporating tomatoes into your meals can be a delicious way to support your cardiovascular health. Now, let's shine a light on one of the most remarkable components found in tomatoes: lycopene. This powerful antioxidant is what gives tomatoes their vibrant red color and is linked to a myriad of health benefits. Research has shown that lycopene may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer, particularly prostate cancer. In fact, studies suggest that men who consume more lycopene-rich foods, like tomatoes, may have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. Lycopene is best absorbed when tomatoes are cooked, so think about adding some marinara sauce or a hearty tomato soup to your diet to maximize these benefits. Speaking of cooking, let's not forget about the versatility of tomatoes in the kitchen. Whether you're tossing them in a salad, blending them into a sauce, or roasting them for a side dish, tomatoes can elevate any meal. They pair wonderfully with a variety of ingredients, from fresh basil to creamy mozzarella, making them a favorite in Mediterranean cuisine. The possibilities are endless. You can slice them for a fresh caprese salad, blend them into a refreshing gazpacho, or simmer them into a rich pasta sauce. The culinary uses of tomatoes are as diverse as their health benefits. Another compelling reason to incorporate tomatoes into your diet is their role in supporting digestive health. Tomatoes are a good source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving along in your gut, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Moreover, the high water content in tomatoes can further aid digestion and hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, and consuming water-rich foods like tomatoes can help you achieve your daily hydration goals. Now let's touch on the skin benefits of tomatoes. The antioxidants found in tomatoes, particularly lycopene and vitamin C, can provide an array of benefits for your skin. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging. Lycopene, in particular, has been shown to protect the skin from UV damage, making it an excellent ally for those sunny days. So the next time you enjoy a fresh tomato salad, you can feel good knowing you're not just nourishing your body, but also caring for your skin. But what about heart health? Tomatoes have been shown to have a positive impact on heart health as well. The combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in tomatoes contributes to lower cholesterol levels and improved overall heart function. Studies have indicated that a diet rich in tomatoes can lead to a reduced risk of heart disease. The anti-inflammatory properties of tomatoes also play a significant role in maintaining a healthy heart, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. As we continue to explore the healing power of tomatoes, let's not overlook their role in weight management. The low calorie count and high fiber content make tomatoes a filling addition to meals, helping you feel satisfied without overindulging. They can be a fantastic substitute for higher calorie ingredients in many recipes, allowing you to enjoy your favorite dishes with fewer calories. Whether you're blending them into smoothies, using them as a base for sauces, or adding them to your favorite grain bowls, tomatoes can help you maintain a balanced diet. Now, for those of you who are looking to add more tomatoes to your life, consider trying different varieties. From sweet cherry tomatoes to hearty beefsteak tomatoes, each type offers a unique flavor and texture. Don't hesitate to experiment with heirloom varieties, which often boast rich flavors and vibrant colors. You might just discover a new favorite. Before we wrap up, let's talk about how to choose the best tomatoes. When selecting tomatoes, look for ones that are firm, plump, and free of blemishes. The color should be vibrant and even, indicating ripeness. If you can, try to buy organic tomatoes, as they are often grown without harmful pesticides and chemicals. And remember, the best tomatoes are in season, so check your local farmer's market for the freshest options. In conclusion, the healing power of tomatoes is undeniable. From their impressive nutritional profile to their myriad health benefits, these fruits are a delicious and versatile addition to any diet. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support heart health, or simply enjoy a tasty meal, tomatoes have got you covered. So go ahead, add a splash of red to your plate, and reap the benefits of this remarkable fruit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite tomato recipes in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.